Before I draw a sailboat, I always like to start with some water. So let's go up and down right here. And next, just draw one line right there. And then 2 diagonals like that. And then sailboats have that big mast. We'll take our red, make a little flag, just put a little triangle up on top. And take your gray or whatever color you want for the sails. And make a half a triangle there. And half a triangle there. Last but not least, I like to put some portholes. Line there as well. The cool thing about sailboats, you can do some fun stuff with the sails and draw whatever you want in there. So do a little sun, maybe some waves as well. I'll just do that here. You could really do whatever you want. There you go, a sailboat.